Louisiana guarantees your freedom of religion, just like the U.S. Constitution. But sponsors of House Bill 340 think Louisiana's Constitution is broken. These religious extremists claim they want to make the law clearer. Clearer than the U.S. Constitution? And a June 4th Times-Picayune editorial says the new law isn't just vague, it's impenetrable. Something doesn't add up.
I can only assume that there's something that they're not saying that they want to achieve, and that causes me some concern.
It looks to us like it adds up to an open door for discrimination.
This allows discrimination. This allows anyone who doesn't like a particular group or a particular person to express, say, I have a sincerely held religious belief that I don't like black people or gay people or Muslim people or Jewish people, and I'm not going to hire them and I'm not going to let them live in my apartment building.
It's someone's sincerely held religious belief that AIDS, for example, is punishment from God. And their church teaches that, and they believe that, and they're working as a nurse in a hospital, and someone comes in that has HIV virus and has AIDS. Can they then say that, no, I won't treat this person because to do so would be going against God's will that this person be punished?
And lawmakers are questioning the need for this amendment.
In fairness, as we discussed earlier, I've been frequently uncomfortable with change in the law when it seems to have worked for 35, 200 years, whatever the case may be. And so I approach it carefully and don't want to do it if there's no real problem.
Even when directly asked, the sponsors refuse to clearly own up to their reasons.
You know, there's one thing I think under the accommodation question, that is really the goal of what we're trying to achieve. It's just simply that an individual may freely express a sincerely held religious belief. That was the motive behind House Bill 340. And I think it weighs honestly the individual free exercise expression versus a state's compelling interest, and that's what we're trying to do.
What freedoms do they really want? The freedom to deny medical treatment? The freedom to deny access to birth control? Freedom to deny rights to people of other sexual orientations, or even to other Christians? We think it's the freedom to do anything they want, if they can religiously justify it. House Bill 340. It's not for freedom of our religious rights. We've got those. It's a get-out-of-jail-free card for discrimination. It's a bonanza for lawyers and special interest groups. The Louisiana Constitution isn't broken. Vote against Bill 340. The Forum for Equality is dedicated to the establishment of a society free from discrimination and the support of good government through education and constructive participation in the political process.